What's up, guys? So today we're going to be working on Project 4Banger. We're going to be restoring the headlight or the tail lights here. I was looking at my TJ, and the tail lights look a lot deeper red, so it's kind of faded just a little bit. So what we're going to do is, I really like this stuff. We used this in the last video when I was cleaning the soft top windows and then getting rid of the fogginess, so this worked pretty good on that, but this works really well on like faded out headlights and tail lights. So it's Meguiar's Plast X, or Plastics, however you want to say it. So we're just gonna grab a microfiber and put a little bit on the towel here, and then we're just gonna rub it in. You can see it kind of brings off some like grime and stuff. We're going to do the side markers too, on the top of it, the bottom. Just going to wipe it off. That looks much better. It's like they look brand new. It's like a bright red now. So let me see if I can show you the other side. Definitely much more of a bright red and less faded looking. So we'll do this side now. Yeah, this stuff's awesome, especially for like super faded headlights and stuff. I did my cousin's, I think it's a 98 Camry, and you could barely see out of the headlight, or the light could, it was really foggy looking. This stuff made it look like brand new, which is awesome. Look at that. So that's how you restore the taillights or plastic headlights on pretty much any vehicle too. I've done this on many other things. So, but we'll show you what my TJ's taillights look like. This is what my taillights look like. I'll push this Jeep in so you guys can see it, what it looks like in the shade. So that's what the tail looks like now. That's what those taillights look like now. So definitely they look a lot more similar now, for sure. Mine look a little bit deeper of a red, but that stuff really made a big difference. So yeah, that's how you restore your taillights on a TJ or pretty much any other vehicle. I've had really good luck with that stuff. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. Definitely consider subscribing if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video.